guys, it's me Noelle and welcome back to my channel. Oh, wait, I forgot something. That's better. So I don't know if you can tell, but I'm pretty excited for Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is one of my all-time favorite holidays. I don't know, it's something about the pink and red, the chocolates, the love notes, just the entire day is so cute. If you're like me and a very festive person when it comes to Valentine's Day, or you're just looking for some creative gift ideas, keep watching this video. In this video, I'll be showing you 5 DIY Valentine's Day gifts for that special person in your life. The best part about these gifts, besides the fact that they're creative and unique, is that they're affordable. Each one of these gifts is around $5 to $10 max, so you could still give some really awesome gifts without breaking your bank. If you guys like DIY videos like this one, let me know in the comments down below, and without further ado, let's get into it. The materials you'll need for this first DIY are a container or box of some kind. I found this one for $5 at Target. Circular chocolates. They don't have to be circular, but it works best for the shape. Mini cupcake liners, cute Valentine's Day tissue paper, and a pen. The premise of this DIY is to recreate a box of chocolates with a little twist. So all you're gonna do is line your box or tin with some tissue paper. So next you're going to take your mini cupcake liners and you're just going to write any sweet or encouraging messages on the bottom of the liners. You can make it as cute or spicy as you would like, and I recommend getting paper liners because it will definitely be easier to write on paper. So now you're just going to take all of the liners and put them on the inside of the box. And the easy part, you're just going to take your chocolates and put them in the liners. I would recommend getting circular chocolates because they fit really nicely in the box, but they don't have to be this brand or anything. And the idea is when the person lifts up a piece of chocolate, they'll see the cute little message you left for them. This DIY is super cost effective and very thoughtful because you're personalizing it with your little notes. And who doesn't love chocolate on Valentine's Day? Moving on to DIY number 2, the materials you'll need are a clear picture frame, a printed photo or Polaroid picture of you and your loved one, dried pressed flowers and leaves. This part's optional, but paper, scissors, and pens. This DIY is extremely simple but super elegant. All you're gonna do is open up your frame. I got this one for $3 at Target. In fact, a lot of my materials in this video are from Target. Little pro tip here, if you get products with this sticky residue, just take a little bit of acetone and you can get rid of it in a couple swipes. So all you're gonna do is lay out your dried pressed foliage in a cute way, however you want to arrange it, and place your photo in the middle. You can cut out a square that'll fit on the back of your photo, but I ended up liking the look of torn edges, so I ripped it instead. And you're just gonna write from your heart. Just write a sweet message, maybe about the photo or just an inside joke, anything you'd like. And that just kind of elevates the whole gift. It's not just a photo frame, but it's like a photo frame with a message. And there you go, super cheap, super beautiful. This can go on somebody's desk or wall. DIY number 3 is perfect if you want to give a little treat to a bunch of people in your life. The materials you'll need are disposable coffee cups, also from Target. I love the dollar section, you will always find me at the dollar section at Target. Hot cocoa and cocoa bombs. Marshmallows of various kinds. I couldn't decide, so I got both of these. Twine, paper, scissors, pens, and a hole puncher. This DIY is probably the simplest one of the video. All you're gonna do is fill your cups with hot cocoa and marshmallows and call it a day. So for some of these, I'm putting hot cocoa packets, and others I'm putting the hot cocoa bombs. And then I'm just putting marshmallows in each cup. Look at these heart ones. Just look at them. They're so adorable. For an added touch, you can add a gift tag with a funny or punny note. So I'm just cutting out paper and hole punching them. For one, I wrote "You're da bomb" because, you know, it's a hot cocoa bomb. And then for the other, I wrote "You're hot cocoa." That's the best I could think of, but if you have better ideas, please let me know in the comments. Just cut a piece of twine and tie it around the cups. I hope my housemates aren't watching this video because they're definitely getting these for Valentine's Day. But yeah, this DIY is a super affordable way to give a little something to people in your life when you have a lot of people in your life and you just want to let them know you're thinking about them. Moving on to DIY number 4. This one's maybe the most elaborate one. The materials you'll need are a box, and this one, also from Target, please sponsor me, has a little slip in it, which is perfect for this DIY. Wooden blocks, these are heart-shaped. They could be any shape. They can actually be anything. You'll see why later. But you will need 14 of them. Twine, a Sharpie, super glue or hot glue, and scissors. This DIY is a 14-day advent, so you can count down to Valentine's Day starting February 1st and celebrate love every single day. These wooden blocks are, I don't know what they're used for, but I saw them and I'm like, okay, we're doing an advent. They're so cute and they come in 4 colors and I'm obsessed with them. But like I said earlier, you could use anything in place of these. Could be paper, felt, maybe not felt, but anything with a surface you can write on. I'm just lining up my blocks to have a repeating pattern. After they're all lined up, I took some twine and I'm going to attach it to the back side of them. So at first I tried Gorilla Glue and it was an absolute epic fail. So I recommend using hot glue or something that's not, you know, gonna make your fingers stick together. I ended up actually using good old Scotch tape, which worked perfectly for this. Between each block, I left about 2 to 2.5 inches. You don't want them too close together because you want each block to be a surprise. Now I'm just flipping them over and arranging them in a neat little line. So the fun part, you're gonna come up with 14 fun ideas. Could be literally anything: watching the sunset, making a meal together, going on a bike ride, paint date, anything that you can think of that you and your partner or best friend or whoever you're giving this to would appreciate. And you're gonna write one thing on each block as an advent. So this is where you can get super creative and personal. I kind of did a combination of fun activities, places to go, favorite foods. I love this DIY because it's completely customizable 100% to you and your person. And you can make it as cheap or not cheap as you want. So after you have all your hearts, you're going to take your box and fill it from end to beginning. So make sure you start at 14 so the blocks come out properly. And I'm just adding a little tab to block number 1 so they know that's the first one that needs to be pulled out. And there you go, a 14-day Valentine's Advent for you and your person to do together. How fun, you get to be like part of the gift. If you know someone who really values quality time, this is the perfect gift for them. And for the last DIY, the materials you need are another box. Guess where I found this one? I just want you to guess where I found this one. Did you say Target? Because you're wrong. I got it from Walmart. Just kidding. Yes, it's from Target. You'll also need note cards and envelopes. Optionally, Polaroids or photos. Also optional, dog stickers, pens, and tape. So I'll be honest, I think my creativity was running low. So this is not the most... This is not the most original DIY. In fact, I don't even know if you can call it a DIY. It's super simple. You basically just write a bunch of cards and stick it in the mailbox, and there you go. There's your Valentine's Day gift. But truly, guys, I don't know what happened to the art of words these days. You know, love notes, love letters, they're going out of style, and I don't think they should. So this DIY is attempting to revive it. All you're gonna do is write letters full of words of affirmation, gratitude, love, appreciation, just words of encouragement that you can give to the other person. And as a bonus, I'm adding Polaroids of cute memories that me and my boyfriend have together. Reuven and I are also obsessed with dogs, so each letter is gonna have a different dog. That's just a side note. Anyway, one idea that you can do is making each envelope a reason why you love that person. Often, as human beings, we need compliments, we need words of affirmation. Our words are powerful. Truly, they are. And I think this could really make somebody's day. And that's it. 5 DIY Valentine's Day gifts for your boothing this Valentine's Day. I think my favorite had to be the love notes. I know that one's pretty basic, but I'm definitely a words of affirmation kind of person. Once again, these DIYs are 100% customizable, so you can change any part. I hope you guys found this video helpful and entertaining, and I wish all of you a very happy Valentine's Day 2023. Whether you're spending it with your partner, your family, friends, or even by yourself, just remember how incredibly loved you are. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Okay. I couldn't see that entire time.